Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to take your old balding wigs and make them look brand new. After this video, your wigs will look like right out of your scalp. If you want to see how I did that, then just keep on watching. Y'all, one thing a wig is going to have is the freaking audacity. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how to finesse the wig when she's ready to go. Ready to retire and send a new. Just give me a second. It's like I can't do no wrong. So I have this curly wig right here, and y'all see she is balding, you know, and I can't even put the edge down how I want to anymore because it's all the way back by my ear. But clearly I'm here to show y'all how to fix that today. Okay, jumping right on in, the first thing I'm going to do is just hot comb all of the hair back, because when it's time to cut, you don't want to cut any extra hair that you don't have to. And to make sure that hair stays back, I'm going to be using my favorite hairspray from TRESemmé, and I'm just going to spray that along the hairline and hot comb again. Now this is what the hairline looks after I have hot combed it. It's slicked back, honey, and you can see up close and personal how much hair is missing and how much we're going to be getting rid of today. And you see I've used T-pins to tack down the wig to the wig head, and I'm not worried about the holes in the lace because most of this lace is going to be gone anyway. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the wig off the wig head so I can put it on my head and see what it looks like. Because from the looks of that lace that's still available, I need to cut some of this off. So one moment. So this is what the inside of the lace looks like. I had to, don't mind this. This is hairspray that I'm going to show you guys later on how to blend in your parting. But this is how the inside of the lace look. You can see how much I have cut off on the sides versus the top. If I can get it straight, this lace is so thin it's like falling everywhere. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this on really quick. Okay, so let me take my glasses off. This is what she looks like now. I'm probably gonna cut this part off right here. So I have all of this here and all of this here. I'm going to pin up the sides of the wig really quick. So now that I pulled it to where I wanted it to be, I am going to start on the front. I'm going to start on the front part, y'all, because what difference does it make to cut the sides at the front? It's just not giving. I'm going to measure out where I have the most hair, and it looks like I'm going to just do from temple to temple, just trimming down the front of it and then getting rid of most of the side. So I'm going to part out where I want to cut it at, and I'm going to do zigzag motion. So if I get rid of this, it'll be more even. See, look at that. Let's turn into a wig construction worker. Okay, so boom, we got rid of it. She's gone. So now we're more even with the cut part, and I'm just gonna keep going on the side just a little bit right here. I have a little bit extra that I missed. I'm going to cut this section of hair as well. So I cut off the ear tab. I have this much lace over here and none right here. We're getting somewhere. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? Okay, let's keep going. Now that I've cut the lace, as y'all can see, there's no lace over here anymore. So now I'm just going to take some hair from the side and pull it down. You can just pin it back here, but other than that, you can sew it down. If you guys want to see how to sew down your wigs, I do have a tutorial on that on my channel. Go ahead and check it out. It'll be in the cards above or in the description box down below. Just pull out your sideburn, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here and install it. So now this is what I have left of the lace. Now that that's done, I'm going to fix the wig cap and push it back some, and then we're going to start reinstalling this wig, and I'm going to show y'all how I do it once I cut off all the lace. So I'm using this olive oil wig grip spray that I've been seeing the girlies talk about on social media. So we're going to use this today. It does pretty well, smells good too. So if you guys want a stronger and longer hold, do this. But let me go ahead and speed this up and just show you guys how I install this hair. For those of y'all who have a little bit more edge than me, this will look a little bit fuller. This is how that came out. I just blended whatever is left of the side of the lace as well as my hair on the side. It blends right in, y'all. You can't even tell. And if it does get a little bit of a white cast, y'all, use lace tint. I have some from Ebin. This is the lace tint that I use from Ebin. This is their light warm brown skin tone, and it's the perfect shade for my skin tone. With the lace, shake it up a little bit. See how dirty that is? I'll be using this thing, y'all. Spray some on my finger and then just tap it on the lace. I'm going to use my hairspray to do my edges really quick. I'm just gonna bring a little bit, just a tiny bit over the lace, and that blends it right on in. So this is a quick little jump to do the other side. I just did the same thing. I have more hair on one side than the other, so it's going to look a little bit more full on this side. But I just did the same thing, and I trimmed whatever wig hairs I had that were longer than my sideburns. And yeah, that's it. Now, my suggestion for those of you that have balding in the center of your unit is to actually cut the balding out of the middle as well and do the same thing. Just pull your own hair out. You can just turn the wig into a V part or a U part wig and go from there. Now, if you're not a DIY queen like myself, you can definitely just go ahead and replace the entire closure or frontal. So for the last part of this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I define the parting. I just take this high intense black hairspray and spray it right over the parting by using the end of my rat tail comb to block out the lace that I don't want to cover in black. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section down below. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, you guys.